Once again, good morning mga ka-business and to all LICians all over the world. So this is our training sa Cebu City with GM Ninya. This is the first day and of course GM Ninya is the first speaker in this training. So tayo po ay taga-video muna dito sa Breakthrough 2025 ng Team Cebu. So napakaganda lang po dahil sobrang lupet talaga ng mga bagsakan, especially during this time na sobrang ignited yung ating team dito. And sobrang lupit talaga ng training na binabagsak ni GM.
Welcome our very energetic makulit ako doon sa JC natin. No, you can invite as many as you can because this special training will help you encourage more prospects, friends, relatives to join LLIC because they will feel something after this special training. Are you excited? Yes! Did I make sure that I never left anything? Inhale. Exhale. I want you to have that growth mindset now. So, i-change natin yung mindset mo. Kung dating fixed mindset ka, gawin natin growth mindset. Okay? So, yun yung kailangan natin. Kailangan, kung positive ka, as a human being, mas mataas pa sa positiveness yung maramdaman mo. Okay? Nowadays, it's a requirement.
And of course, it's my turn to share my wisdom and knowledge dito po sa training na to. At sobrang excited talaga ako na mai-share to dahil alam ko ito ay magiging puhunan nila paano makipag-battle sa labas.
Grand Rising! Kumusta po yung training natin today?
Very good, very nice.
So, bago ako mag-start sa module ko, ano po yung nakikita nyo?
Door.
Pintuan. Diba? Okay lang magkwento muna ng konti?
Yes.
Alright.
Golden.
Alam nyo po, yan, golden door. May isang napakagwapong lalaki.
You know!
Alam nyo po ba na lagi po siyang nananaginip ng napakalaking pintuan at nagkukulay gold? So sa panaginip niya, pilit niya pong binubuksan yung golden door na yon. Pero, hindi niya nabubuksan. So every now and then, na napapanaginipan niya yon, yung alam niyo, yung parang hindi na siya nakakatulog kasi sa isang gabi minsan napapanaginipan niya ng mga 3 beses. Ang pinaka-worst scenario, napanaginipan niya ng 10 beses sa isang gabi. So ibig sabihin, parang hindi na siya normal yung tulog niya. So, ang ginawa po nung napakagwapong lalaki na yon, yan, parang ako yun ha. Alright? Pumunta po siya sa psychiatrist. Diba? Kasi ang isip niya, parang nababaliw na siya, nag-hallucinate. Alright? Kasi bukas siya ng bukas ng pinto, pero hindi niya mabuksan. Alam niyo po ba yung sabi ng psychiatrist? Sabi niya, pag nanaginip ka uli, tingnan mo yung pintuan, isumo yung mata mo, lapitan mo. Alright? So, nung nanaginip yung lalaki na yon, kitang-kita niya, nilapitan niya yung pinto. May lakad-lakay doon, pool. Alright? Pool yung ano. That time na nanaginip siya, nakita niya nun, tulak siya ng tulak. So that's why hindi niya talaga ma-open. Alright? So ano po yung lesson? Minsan po tayo tulak ng tulak. Downline, mag-invite ka, downline. Mag-talk ka ng prospect mo. Pero sometimes, tumutulak lang tayo, pero hindi natin open yung sarili na. Ano nga ba yung LLIC rules? Alright? So, ang LLIC rules, ito po yung simula sa company, to leaders, dito na po mangyayari yung pag-create ng malaking organization. Ibig sabihin, this is the leaders to leverage into, pakibasa? Clients. So, paano ka ba as a leader, paano ka nagle-leverage doon sa member mo, sa business partner mo, para papunta doon sa mga kliyente? This is the proper way of doing LLIC or multi-level marketing industry.
And of course, it's time for the activity ng ating team dito sa Cebu doing LLIC at kung ano yung mga natutunan nila on the day 1 ng training.
Hello, my name is Bonnie.
Hi, Bonnie!
Wow!
Hi,
my name
play the basketball.
It's about you, then let them guess a little bit tonight. Yes,
Hi, I'm Emily Enxerto from Mandawi City, Cebu. Karun.
binago ang buhay ko ng LNIC!
Yan, so nakakatuwa mga kabisnes yung ending ng aming day 1 training dahil sobrang tawanan lang doon sa kanilang mga sharing sa experience for the day 1 and ang nakaka-excite dito yung day 2 ng aming training. So let's watch this.
Grand welcome and grand
Grand Rising, everyone!
Grand Rising!
Good morning, and Grand Rising. Siyempre, iba ang greeting kapag Grand Rising. Okay? So please remain.
So yun na nga mga kabisnes, nag-start tayo ng grounding with GM Ninya and after that, nag-instruct siya na simulan na yung activity yung gagawin for the day.
Ano yung relationship mo ngayon that you are encountering some issues that you wanted to be resolved? Okay? So hindi nyo ang kilala yung bodies nyo, right? So it's easier to open up.
And after the first activity, so ayan, back-to-back training na ulit kami ni GM Ninya.
Expert in the world of multi-level marketing. So without any further ado, let us welcome our GWIN Director, Jun Pareja!
Alright! Grand Rising! Madaling magpasali, pero mahirap susunod. Totoo or totoo? O, kasi bakit? Minsan, eager na eager tayo pasalihin yung tao. Pero nung nakasali na hyper. Diba? Pero, unti-unti, day by day, nawawala po yung enthusiasm niya. Ibig sabihin, habang tumatagal na kasama mo, hindi na nasusustain yung power niya, yung eagerness niya. Especially pag dinadaanan ng mga discouragement, dinadaanan na ng mga negativities, unti-unting nagiging shadow na lang siya sa paningin mo.
And of course, dahil mas highlights natin dito yung mga activity ng ating mga leaders, so nag-share si GM Ninya about the SMART goal setting.
Metrics will we use? I'll be sharing you a good monitoring sheet na ginagamit na ngayon ng mga teams. Okay? How can we measure progress? Yun nga, nandun yun sa monitoring sheet. Okay? Attainable. A, no? Do, work towards a goal that
At yun nga, sinimulan na nating pag-sharein lahat ng mga participant natin for the training para makita natin kung nag-evolve ba sila at nag-sink in sa kanila lahat ng na-training natin for the past 2 days.
Paano saan pupunta yung sits ko? Ibang industry naman yan. Yung parang ganun lang siya. Experience ko yung mga ganun. But here in LLIC since day 1, hindi ko na-experience. Kasi lang ko.
Another weapon.
Yes!
Equip yourself. That is why even myself, I had to go back to trainings again. Kumbaga grade 1. And then next, is Shikata Ganay. Of course, I really love this one.
No, ganun po ako klase ng tao. No, and then mabilis po ako magpatawad even though people don't say sorry. No, because that will make you happy talaga. And that will make you at peace.
Swimmers from Cebu!
ng Manila para po sa awarding last December. More trips, ayan. And of course, more SPDOs and MPP contract signing. None other than GM Media, all of the GUP directors, and of course, our Mommy Press, Mariel Astudillo. Ayan, so napakaganda. And of course, no, more top earners, more rookies, no, and more top performer SPDOs, and more network builders, no, and sales performers po sa team. Ayan, and of course, more cash!
By February. February ha? February.
2025?
2025. But if in case di makuha sa February 29, sigurado yun sa February 28.
After 2025, with all the training and the planning that we came up today and yesterday's training, so ito na yung mga happy faces. Sino ba sa Herbert? Si May. Si May. May meaning yan eh. May meaning yan.
Ano yun? Ano
Ito
yun?
na nasulat.
Oo.
Yung si Herbert talagang na-embodied na niya sa self. Yung meaning ng LLIC. Lord ay laging iyo constantly. LLIC pa rin, di ba?
So yan nga mga ka-LLICian, sa mga hindi pa naka-attend ng training na to, abangan nyo po yung aming pag-iikot, Luzon, Visayas, in Mindanao. So ito po yung ating ginagawa para matulungan yung mga partner distributors na talagang uhaw sa training kung paano nila gagawin ang negosyo and at the same time, paano palalakihin yung kanilang organization. So once again, congratulations graduates for our Breakthrough Training 2025.